As with Python, we're interested in three major random number distributions. So recall that a random number generator is a way of producing values from an underlying distribution. So for instance, the uniform distribution ranges from 0 to 1, so we can get any value in the range 0 to 1 with equal likelihood. Now MATLAB has slightly different interfaces for each of its random number generators. So please don't get confused. You may have to come back to this chart and check the ranges and values if you're uncertain about how it's behaving. If we give it a single value, for instance rand n or rand 5, then it's going to generate a square matrix of that size, which is kind of an interesting shorthand that MATLAB has developed. If we want something to be one-dimensional either way, we have to specify that separately as either 5, 1 or 1, 5. And then if we need to change the range from 0 to 1 to something else, we can multiply ahead in order to do that. The random integer distribution ranges from 1 to n, inclusive on both sides, and is referred to as rand I. It should be rand I in each of these entries here. And then there's a normal distribution with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation or variance of 1, which we use produced with rand n.